How to recharge Amazon Prime in iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can recharge Amazon Prime in iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to recharge your Amazon Prime in iPhone, all you have to do is not use the Amazon app. So you can also do that to view the subscription details, but I would just recommend that you actually open up your browser and instead you go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll make sure to drop a direct link in the description box below. Here, if you don't have a subscription, it will prompt you to get the subscription. If you have a subscription and it has ended, it will prompt you to renew the subscription. Now in my case, I don't have an active subscription, so it's asking me to get my 30-day free trial. But if you already had a subscription and maybe it ended, you'll find all those payment details here. You'll find the current subscription details, whether or not they're active, in this particular page over here. And this way you should be able to basically recharge your Amazon Prime in iPhone. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, queries, or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you in the next video.